Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase code reviews with GitLab, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase code reviews with GitLab, begin by accessing your project repository. Navigate to the merge requests section in your GitLab project. Create a new merge request by selecting the appropriate source and target branches. Fill in the merge request title and provide a detailed description of the changes. Set the appropriate labels to categorize the merge request effectively. Assign the merge request to team members who can review the code. Notify team members by adding them in the reviewers section to ensure they are aware of the request. Encourage reviewers to add comments directly in the merge request for clarity. Utilize the discussion feature to facilitate conversation around specific code changes. Establish clear guidelines on how to conduct code reviews within your team. Implement a checklist within the merge request description for reviewers to follow. Utilize GitLab's built-in code quality and security scanning features to highlight any issues. Monitor response times for code reviews and ensure that they are addressed promptly. Encourage a culture of feedback by recognizing contributors for thorough reviews. Consider setting up merge request reminders for team members who may overlook pending reviews. Regularly analyze and assess the efficiency of your code review processes. Refine your approach based on feedback and best practices learned over time. By following these steps, you can enhance your code review process using GitLab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.